big level round. You sit anywhere. How are you this morning, Cam?
I'm all good, mate. How are you?
I'm all good, mate. It's a lovely morning this morning, but it seems like it's not going to be very lovely. How does that make you feel?
It's not going to be a lovely day.
Well, this morning was beautiful. I was driving in though, because the sun was good as earlier.
You know what, mate? It's Friday.
Exactly.
Nothing can go wrong.
Oh, mate, you should have said that. Why would you say that? What's that one there, like literally there?
Which one?
Splopper mark to the right of it.
Proper mark to the right.
Down, left, put your hand down, touchstone, left, left, left. That one.
This one?
What's he like? That's a bit. Yeah, try him. We're gonna have to, mate. We can't. We've got so much. You know, the rough stuff's alright. It's just rough, isn't it? No, it doesn't need, it needs to be bigger than that, really.
Bigger.
Don't matter if not, mate. I'll just do it in two. I just thought, you know, I just wanted to get one or two in because it's nice, sort of doing one, then a couple. Do you know what I mean? It's going in, so that's good. Pass them little nuggets that just fell off there. I might do, to be honest, you mate, won't it? Right, so you can see the course I've got left, yeah? Oh, I need a little, like,
Little nug.
yeah.
There's
A little bits there.
little bits of
That might do that one there. Get a tail, mate, if you can. Quite long. It's when you come across one. One more handful of hearting, if you can, please.
on that one.
Oh! Well, that's a beauty. That is actually, because look, we can point round it. Try and use this bar at some point as well. Do you know what I've got in my head? Tic-tac-toe, give me high, give me low.
Why?
What is that? What is that song? Where's it go? Hit by UFO.
Huh?
Is that not it? Tic-tac-toe,
mate.
give me high, give me low.
It's been a while since I've been in school.
Nana got hit by a...
Massive toe.
I'll put him on a thin bit like that.
Alright, well I've got another beauty that is a corner. I left him because he's a corner.
Yeah, can I just have a couple of spoonfuls of muffin?
Oh yeah.
I need to put a J somewhere.
A J?
Huh?
J?
Yeah, I wanna put a J in the wall
Yeah.
somewhere. I'm gonna do it on that wall. Not on the exterior, I'll do it on the interior.
Yeah. A C would be quite hard to do, wouldn't it?
Hard?
Yeah.
Not really.
Oh, I guess I could just do that.
It's exactly the same as a J, just
Yeah.
my top's just in the middle, not over.
Yeah, true.
Does that look alright from down there?
Yeah, that's good, isn't it?
Sorry. right, isn't it? It's weird because like, I'm trying to keep the style like sort of. You look at the balls we've kept. It's quite random, isn't it? But
Yeah.
they're quite coarse, but they're all like sort of doof, 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 doof. Bullets. You know what I mean? Little about living and a lot about love. go living on a Chattahoochee. Oh, just short of by a nugget. Oh, I don't like that line. Yeah. Boom. He was a builder.
Yeah.
He was a builder.
Yeah.
He used to finish work. He literally neck a pint of scrumpy, like neck like it's squash. Do you know what I mean? Literally finish work, neck scrumpy cider, which is like 10%. Then have about 4 sambucas, and then just sit there. And every 2 pints, have 4 sambucas every night.
Toilet man's here, Josh.
Oh, Daddy. That's good. That's what we like to say. It's starting to smell. It's Cam using it every 2 minutes. Cam using it every 2 minutes.
How many shakes have you had in there?
Oh, well, I'm only going to take 20 seconds on it. This is a nice view, isn't it?
It's not really matter, is it? You've got a bit too much.
Nice. That's all fine, isn't it?
Yeah.
Get some sort of tape on it.
Yeah, but I've got enough to do.
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, you do one at your house and practice.